I'm Alexis Newbert of Alexis Design, and this is how to make a photo postcard. You want to use a layout program, like Adobe InDesign is what I'll use today. Start by creating a standard postcard size document. We'll use a 4x6 size, it's pretty standard. I'm going to create this postcard as a landscape orientation, and it's going to have a front and a back, so I'm going to create a document with 2 pages. Give it some small 1/4-inch margins. Start with page 1, which will be my photo side. Locate my photo. You can drag and drop right onto your page in InDesign. Places your photo, and then you can resize it by using the scale tool on the side tool palette or by using the percentages on the top tool palette, which I'm going to use today. We'll try 50%, maybe a little smaller. Then you can center and crop your image however you want it. Maybe you want to have even white borders. Leaving white borders around the edge of your postcard will definitely make it easier for printing and trimming out. It may make it less expensive for different printing processes rather than putting color all the way to the edge. So we'll do that in this example. Maybe you want to have some text over your photo. You can put something simple in there. Create a text box with your text tool. Choose a font. Adjust the size of your font however you want it. You can change the color with your color palette over here. And then to make the second side, which is very often a mailer side, you want to keep in mind whether or not it's something that's going to need an address on it. If so, leave at least half of the right side blank for mailing information. And then you can use your type tool again to create a large text box on the left side, and then you can just start putting in whatever you need to put. Maybe it's a date, maybe it's an event that's going on, just your font size, change your font if you need to. You can center it by using these buttons up here. Left, center, right. You may want to add a thin rule with your line tool. You can just click, hold the shift key to keep it straight, and drag to where you want to end it. And that creates a simple second side with text on the left and the right side left clear for mailing. And that's how you make a photo postcard.